VANoopee is a 3-color dimmable LED ceiling spotlight, flush mount, adjustable spotlight, directional spotlight, indoor bright accent fixture for living rooms, bedrooms, and so forth. It has a CRI 90 36 degree flicker free 10 watt 1000 lumens in white. On the back of the unit you got 3 levels of lighting: warm, cool, and coolest. Very simple to hook up. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to take off these 2 areas of interest, and they give you the bolts and wire nuts. So what we're going to go do is head out to the workbench, hook this up, show you what it looks like, and you'll make a decision if this is right for you. We're going to mount a bracket. We're going to hook our leads. I'm going to close our bracket and light. Our light's all hooked up. It's adjustable. Change the colors to the 3 different kelvins. To that side is the warmest, to this side is the coolest. It's a spotlight, and what we're going to do, shut the light off so you can get an idea of how this light looks. I am nicely well lit. I'm going to change the spotlight and change it again. I like the cooler. If you're looking for something to spotlight in your living room, nice big area, this is the product for you. You're going to need a little bit more than just one, and this could be paired up, put on a dimmer switch, lowered down and raised up. If you got a nice tall ceiling, you want to make sure you set everything up beforehand, and this way you don't have to keep climbing up and down to change your colors. I hope this product is something that you are looking for to install to dress up your area and decorate with lighting. I hope you enjoy your product of the light.